What's up guys? SM here. Today we're talking about the real cost of buying a house in the US, and it's not just the price on the listing. Sure, homeownership is a huge milestone, but there are hidden costs that can turn your dream into a financial headache if you're not ready. Most buyers only see the sticker price, but there's a lot more lurking beneath the surface. In this video, I'll break down the hidden expenses that can add thousands, or even tens of thousands, to your home purchase. Stick around, because knowing these could save you from a massive mistake. Let's get started. First up, closing costs. You've saved for your down payment, but closing costs can hit you with a surprise bill at the finish line. These are a bundle of fees: loan origination, appraisal, title insurance, and more. Everyone involved in the sale gets paid. Expect to pay 2% to 5% of your home's price. On a $400,000 house, that's $8,000 to $20,000 extra, on top of your down payment. Review your loan estimate carefully. Fees like credit reports, flood certification, and recording fees add up fast. Some costs are negotiable. Shop for your own title company, or ask the seller for concessions, but always budget for the high end. Don't get caught scrambling for cash days before closing. Plan ahead, and you'll avoid a nasty surprise. Closing costs are real, and they're non-negotiable if you want the keys. Know them, budget for them, and you'll be ready. Let's move on. You've closed, but now you meet your lifelong partner property taxes. These fund local services and vary wildly by state, county, and even neighborhood. Two similar homes in different towns can have drastically different tax bills. After you buy, your home's value is often reassessed, meaning your taxes could jump in year one. Most lenders collect taxes through escrow, so your monthly payment can rise unexpectedly if taxes go up. Don't just look at the current tax bill. Research the local tax rate, and apply it to your purchase price for a realistic estimate. A few $100s a month difference can make or break your budget. Always check with your agent or do your own homework. Property taxes are forever. Plan for them. Don't let them catch you off guard. Next up, insurance. Homeowners insurance is mandatory if you have a mortgage, and skipping it is never worth the risk. It covers disasters like fire, storms, theft, and liability if someone gets hurt on your property. Premiums depend on your home's age, construction, location, and even your credit score. Live in a flood or earthquake zone, you'll need extra policies, which can be pricey. Always get quotes early. Some homes are expensive or tough to insure, and that's a red flag. Don't wait until the last minute. Compare multiple insurers. Insurance isn't just a box to check, it's protection for your biggest investment. Know what's covered and what's not. Budget for it, and don't be surprised by extra requirements. Now, let's talk about PMI. If your down payment is less than 20%, you'll likely pay private mortgage insurance, or PMI. PMI protects the lender, not you, and adds $100 to your monthly payment. On a $300,000 home with 10% down, PMI could cost $225 a month, money that doesn't build your equity. The good news: for conventional loans, PMI can be removed once you reach 20% equity. FHA loans are stricter. Mortgage insurance can last for years, sometimes the life of the loan. Always factor PMI into your budget if you're putting less than 20% down. And remember, refinancing can help you drop PMI sooner if your home's value rises. It's a hidden cost that adds up fast. Next, inspections. Never skip a home inspection. It's the best few $100s you'll spend. Inspectors find hidden issues, foundation cracks, old roofs, bad wiring, and more. Their report gives you leverage to negotiate repairs, credits, or even walk away if the problems are too big. Specialized inspections, like for pests or radon, may be needed, especially in certain areas. Even new homes can have issues, so don't assume you're safe. The inspection fee is tiny compared to the cost of missing a major problem. Protect yourself. Always get an inspection. It's your safety net. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Homeownership means you're responsible for every repair and all maintenance. Experts recommend saving at least 1% of your home's value each year for upkeep, more for older homes. That's $4,000 a year on a $400,000 house, just for maintenance and repairs. Routine tasks, like HVAC servicing, gutter cleaning, and pressure washing, prevent bigger problems. But big-ticket repairs, like a new roof or water heater, can hit anytime. Set up a dedicated home maintenance fund so you're ready when things break. Don't rely on credit cards or your main emergency fund. Being proactive saves you money and stress. Maintenance isn't optional, it's part of the deal. Next, HOAs. If you're buying in a community with an HOA, expect monthly fees, sometimes hundreds of dollars. HOAs cover things like landscaping, pools, and building maintenance, but come with strict rules. Read all HOA documents before you buy budgets, meeting minutes, and especially the CC&Rs. A poorly managed HOA can hit you with special assessments, one-time fees for big repairs if reserves run out. Rules can be strict, paint colors, parking, even pets. Fines and liens are real if you break the rules. Make sure you're comfortable with the restrictions and the financial health of the HOA. Special assessments can cost thousands. Don't ignore this risk. Know what you're signing up for. Let's wrap up. Those are the 7 hidden costs that can turn homeownership into a financial trap if you're not prepared. The list price is just the start. Budget for everything else. Do your homework, ask questions, and build a buffer for surprises. Being prepared means you'll enjoy your home, not stress over it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more. Share your own hidden cost stories in the comments to help others. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.